If you rely on one paycheck, you're putting your entire financial future on one source of income. If that income disappears, so does your financial security. That's why building multiple income streams can be such a powerful strategy. But here's the mistake most people make. They try to build 5 income streams at the same time. Don't. Build one strong income stream first, then use it to create the next. Your first stream is your main income. This could be your job, business, or freelance work. Focus on increasing it by developing valuable skills and becoming more valuable in the marketplace. The second stream is investing. Once you have money left over after your expenses, put some of it into assets like stocks, ETFs, index funds, or real estate. Over time, your investments can potentially generate growth and income without requiring you to trade every hour for money. The third stream is a side business. You could sell a service, start an online store, create digital products, or build a business around a skill you already have. The goal isn't to make thousands immediately. The goal is to create something that can eventually generate income outside of your main job. The fourth stream is digital income. Digital products, courses, ebooks, templates, and other online products can be created once and sold repeatedly. You don't need a massive audience to start. You need a useful product that solves a real problem. The fifth stream is content. YouTube, blogs, and other platforms can become income-producing assets when you consistently provide valuable content. Content can eventually lead to advertising revenue, sponsorships, affiliate income, and customers for your own products. The sixth stream is real estate. Rental properties can potentially generate rental income while the property appreciates over time. And if you don't want to manage physical property, REITs can provide another way to gain exposure to real estate. But remember this, multiple income streams don't mean multiple jobs. The goal is to build systems and assets that can generate income without requiring every hour of your day. Start with one. Make it reliable. Then take the extra money, skills, and knowledge you gain and use them to build the next. That's how you go from depending on one paycheck to building a financial system with multiple sources of income. If you want a complete step-by-step guide to budgeting, saving, investing, and building long-term wealth, check out the Wealth Blueprint. The link is in the description. Subscribe to Wealth Archive for more videos on money, investing, and financial freedom.